Those shoppers will be pretty hungry once they hit home, right? Celebrity chef George Duran is here with a simple and tasty recipe for your Christmas ham.
Santa, make him hurry, tell him he can take a freeway down. Run, run, Rudolph, really like a merry-go-round. How about it, HT?
Cooking for family and friends can be stressful during the holidays. You're probably experiencing that right now. But our next guest has some simple, delicious recipes to make everyone happy, so get a pen and paper ready.
Celebrity chef and author George Duran is here to show us how it's done, and he's glad I've stopped eating this awesome food that I've been doing.
What's your focus, George?
My goodness, you gotta love ham and sausage during the holidays, but the beauty of ham is that it's so versatile. I'm gonna teach you how to make a glaze. Now, a lot of these hams, like this one from Kentucky Legend, they come with a glazing mix. If you have time, we're gonna make a glaze from scratch. This is a pineapple brown sugar glaze. All you're gonna do is add brown sugar, butter, pineapple juice, a little bit of mustard, honey. Just keep adding those into there.
Are you going to let her do it?
Yeah,
Wow,
go ahead.
How much?
All of it. Whatever you see there, the whole thing adds
whole
in there.
thing.
Yeah,
That's easy.
we have the recipe on the Fox News website, actually. So again, it's a brown sugar, pineapple
And just
glaze,
everything in it.
and everything else. Butter,
this goes in
honey,
there.
cinnamon, all of it goes in there.
Why are you so hesitant?
I don't
And
know.
as
I
you
don't
put
want to
that in there, let me just show you what it looks like after
All right,
it's
I'm
all
just going
done
for
over
it.
here. It's
Right,
a
because she's going too
beautiful-
slow.
It's
I
an
mean, let's be
absolutely
honest.
gorgeous glaze that you pretty much take any of these hams, and I'm working with Kentucky Legend hams over here, by the way. These guys are double hickory smoked. They're the #1 ham in the country, and what you're going to pretty much do, let me have this right over here, actually a spoon over here,
great.
and we're just going to glaze our hams. So they have the half
You lost
ham
your
over here.
utensil in there, you know
No,
that, right?
it's not a big deal. You just keep going. That's what the holidays are about.
We'll cause panic in my house.
So you pretty much glaze all the ham that you bring over here. So this is the semi ham, the little half ham that is already sliced in there. This is the semi ham. This is a small ham. So the beauty of this is that you can go for a large ham for the holidays, maybe a half ham for a smaller family, and then for every day you want to make little ham sandwiches, you go this route over here, which is the petite ham, already pre-sliced for you. And the beauty is that this glaze, not only are you putting it on the ham, you serve it on the side next to this little petite hams. Kentucky Legend also actually has an artisan series, artisan crafted sausages, premium sausages. The flavors are incredible. You have the bacon cheddar ham, jalapeno cheddar, smoked. I made a smoked sausage
I need to know
mac and
about
cheese.
this.
Yeah, so this is
That
the
looks good.
Kentucky Legend artisan series, artisan crafted sausages, actually. The flavors are enormous. They even have a raspberry chipotle. These are brand new in your supermarket, or ask your manager at the supermarket to get them for you. And the versatility is enormous. Again, you can serve them raw like this, which is actually not raw. It's cooked already. So you can serve them cold, all the hams, or you can heat them up simply, add them to your dishes.
I
And we
need
get
this in
this
my
on-
belly.
And we get this on FoxNews.com?
FoxNews.com,
All right, any details.
yeah.
All right, so you don't have to play it back
Delicious.
after your DVR.
Thank you, George.
Absolutely. Here we go.
All right, George, great job. If you're thinking ham, this is your man. Thanks for it. Appreciate it.
That's right. That's true.
I sound a little like
Did you just come up with that?
I sound like Dr. Seuss.
That was very...
Fantastic.
Thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. That's the island greeting that